friends, welcome to the Thetechlegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Lenovo ThinkBook 14s Yoga Generation 2 and ThinkBook 13s Generation 4i laptops. So friend, Lenovo announced the latest ThinkBook 14s Yoga Generation 2 and ThinkBook 13s Generation 4i laptops, and it is concluding the modern design philosophy that has become synonymous with ThinkBook. The model features dual tone color highlights and exude glass with an anodized aluminium exterior, 4-side narrow bezels, and it is equipped with smart innovative technology and high performance features. They offer elevated user experience in productivity, collaboration, and security. And trend, the combination of 12th generation Intel Core processor up to Windows 11 Pro, fast SSD storage, Intel Thunderbolt 4, Intel Wi-Fi 6E connectivity aim to offer unparalleled efficiency to help user handle the most demanding workloads locally or in the cloud. And trend, intuitive experience in collaborate work are further enhanced by features such as smart appearance, AI meeting manager, and intelligent noise cancellation, all designed to simplify meetings and make them for more enjoyable. And help protect data and identity with smart power on, a touch fingerprint reader integrated into the power button that adds a layer of security and convenience, and managed by the standard hardware discrete trusted platform module 2.0. And if I talk about the availability, the ThinkBook 14s Yoga Generation 2 will be available from June 2022, and ThinkBook 13s Generation 4i will be available from June 2022. And if I talk about the pricing, the ThinkBook 14s Yoga Generation 2 starting price is €899, and ThinkBook 13s Generation 4i pricing will be €749. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.